One question, Kim, I had, just to help understand more about Camp Maple Leaf. I think you're kind of more the visionary style of individual. So maybe just a little summary of what kind of vision do you see? I think you talked a little bit to me about some growth strategy or.
So we're happy to talk about that
Okay,
now
good.
because we can do that. We've been gratified by the reception that our camp has received within our various communities that we serve. We do serve a significant number of children from the Canadian Forces, and as we've developed our relationship with the Military Family Services side of the forces, we are realizing, and they are telling us that this is a great product, but we are a Canada-wide organization, this Armed Forces thing, and we have many members in other parts of Canada that would be great to maybe have their families have access to a similar program. So one of our great supporters, one of our founding partners, the True Patriot Love Foundation, is helping us now, and we're about to do a feasibility study on a second location for Camp Maple Leaf in Canada. Camp is not, camp by its nature is not a franchise business, and Camp Maple Leaf is what we do, and we are Camp Maple Leaf. So a second location wouldn't be done by a license or a franchise, or it'll be done in an area if we can do it, and if our funding partners help us, and if there's a need, and we think there will be, we will do it ourselves.
So it has to stay connected to the origin.
Absolutely.
Right, yeah. So it's not a license for sale. This
No,
has to
it's
stay
not.
connected.
No.
Okay, understood.
And that's philosophically, that's the way I feel about the product, and practically it is the way you have to deal with the product. You can't, it's not something you can just license and produce a handbook to somebody and say, okay, there you are, there's how to run Camp Maple Leaf, so go have fun.
Yeah. Thanks for coming on board.
So we're excited about that. We're excited
Wonderful.
about we're excited about that. We're excited about we're going to grow our existing camp population to 100 children a week. We've held it at 80 for a lot of reasons as we got started, to make sure that we were off on the right foot and where our operations are running correctly and well. And so we've achieved that goal now, and so we're now going to admit more children, and we're looking for some new user groups on our site. And I actually spent the last couple of days talking with two different potential user groups of again, unique children facing unique life challenges.
Yes.
And as we if and when we move to a second location, we'll use the same model. It may not necessarily be the same user groups, because there may be smaller individual user groups locally in other parts of the country that would be a fit at Camp Maple Leaf, and it may be that our current user groups are being well serviced at our present location. So, but the philosophical approach will be the same, and that is we will be looking for children, groups of children and organizations serving those groups of children with unique life challenges.
Wonderful.